Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Klaviyo events with your Shopify store, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Klaviyo events with your Shopify store, begin by logging into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the Integrations tab on the left sidebar. Locate the Shopify integration and click on it. If you haven't already connected your Shopify store, select the Connect to Shopify button. You will be prompted to enter your Shopify store URL. Make sure to input the URL without https://. Click on Begin Integration. Authorize Klaviyo to access your Shopify store by clicking on Install App in the Shopify Permissions page. Once connected, return to your Klaviyo account and confirm that the integration status displays active. Next, go to the Settings tab in your Klaviyo account. Under the Webhooks section, you will find options for managing event authentication. Select Add Webhook to create a new webhook. You will be directed to fill in the details required for the webhook integration. Enter an endpoint URL where Klaviyo events should be sent. Make sure you configure the webhook to trigger on the events you want to authenticate. Examples of events include checkout created, order shipped, or customer created. Once you've filled out the necessary fields, save your changes. Return to the Shopify admin panel and navigate to Settings. Select the Notifications section. Here, you can manage your webhooks and ensure the new ones are set up correctly. Test the webhook by generating a sample event in your Shopify store. Monitor the responses in Klaviyo to confirm that the authentication is working properly. If you encounter any issues, revisit the settings and ensure that all provided URLs and tokens are accurate. Finally, review the activity feed in Klaviyo to see all recorded events and their statuses. Now you have successfully authenticated Klaviyo events with your Shopify store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.